If you're trying to scale your e-commerce business in 2026 using the 2024 tactics, then you are going to lose. I know you've noticed it. Customer acquisition costs are spiraling, tracking is a nightmare, and the market feels saturated. The old rules, just pump money into Facebook ads, they don't work anymore. But what if I told you the solution isn't to spend more, but to think entirely different? Today, I'm giving you the new scaling blueprint. It's built on profit-intelligent AI infrastructure and architectural agility. Forget vanity metrics. This is how you build a business that is not just big, but profitable and resilient for the next decade. Let's dive in. The biggest mistake founders are still making right now, worshiping ROAS. See, return on ad spend is a revenue metric. It tells you nothing about profit after cost of goods sold, shipping, and fulfillment. You can have an incredible 4-to-1 ROAS and still be losing money on every single customer. The mandate for 2026 is simple. Shift your focus from ROAS to CLV:CAC. CLV is customer lifetime value. CAC is customer acquisition cost. Your business is only scalable if that ratio is 3-to-1 or higher. So how do you fix it? You need unified data. You need to link your ad platform, your Shopify, and your CRM so you can see the true profit per channel and per customer cohort. This leads to what we call contribution margin logic. Instead of giving the budget to the channel that claims the last click, you give it to the channel that generates the highest actual profit after all expenses are deducted. Why does this matter so much? Because the market environment is about to get even more competitive thanks to AI. And this brings us to the next critical pillar. In 2026, the biggest strategic threat isn't another competitor, it's the zero-click phenomenon. Think of it this way. AI agents like advanced chatbots will browse, compare, and transact on your customer's behalf. They're finding the best running shoes or the best vacation deal, and they're buying it without the user ever landing on your website. The challenge? If the AI agent can't read your product data, you become invisible. Your product page doesn't even enter the transaction. Beyond acquisition, AI is redefining personalization from optional nice-to-have to predictive commerce. The fix is automated content intelligence, or ACI. You must structure your product listings with semantically rich, specific data that algorithms are actively searching for, and build API feeds that these agents can seamlessly interact with. For example, a customer buys running gear. The old system sends them a static coupon. The new AI system analyzes their post-purchase behavior. Are they looking at marathon training blogs? Are they browsing protein powder? And it dynamically adjusts the homepage and product recommendations in real time. This isn't selling more, it's selling better. It boosts customer loyalty and is the only way to justify rising ad costs. But none of this advanced strategy works if your core technology is holding you back. This is where we talk architecture. Most founders started on a monolithic platform. Think of it like an old, rigidly built brick house. Your storefront, inventory, and payment systems are all tightly coupled. The minute you want to add a new AR feature or integrate a new payment method, the entire house shakes. Your developers spend months on high-risk, infrequent releases. This is an innovation bottleneck. Think Lego bricks. It's an architecture built on independent microservices, separate bricks for payment, search, and inventory, all connected by APIs. The advantage? Speed. You can swap out a slow search engine for a new AI-powered one without shutting down your entire store. This translates directly into competitive agility, your ability to deploy new features faster than your competition. For example, if your rival launches a speed-optimized mobile experience or a new BNPL payment option months before you because their tech stack is flexible, they win. Mistake number 1, platform misfit. Choosing a platform based on low initial cost rather than long-term scalability. You hit a technical ceiling and a costly re-platforming inevitably awaits. Mistake number 2, checkout friction. Lengthy, complicated checkout processes are conversion killers. The biggest failure here is not offering flexible payment options like buy now, pay later. Mistake number 3, poor inventory management. Scaling businesses often crash because of inaccurate demand forecasting. Stockouts cost you sales, and excessive stock costs you capital. The fix? Modern inventory management must be AI-driven, not based on guesswork. You need predictive models that monitor demand and forecast procurement automatically. You must replace human error with system reliability. At the end of the day, scaling successfully in 2026 isn't about running faster on the same treadmill. It's about building a better machine. The most successful founders adopt what I call the built-to-sell mindset, even if they never plan to sell. This means creating repeatable, automated systems for everything from fulfillment to customer retention that operate flawlessly without you. Your product is great, but your operational system is your true competitive moat. By focusing on that CLV-CAC ratio, embedding AI for intelligence, and building on composable architecture for agility, you are future-proofing your business. You are moving from a reactive seller to a proactive, intelligent commerce operator. So here's your next step. I've broken down exactly why composable commerce is the future in this video right here. And if you got value from this blueprint, make sure you subscribe. We break down the real strategies behind profitable growth every single week. Go build that resilient machine.